Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats and welcome to my channel. And I have some shoes that I'd like to show you from the company Vionic. Vionic says walk, move, live. That's their motto. And Vionic used to be called Ortho-Heel or Ortho-Heel. Ortho-Heel, and they use both words, Ortho-Heel and Vionic, and you'd see that both on the shoe. And I found them on QVC. And you can find them elsewhere as well. They have their own website. This goes back a while ago, maybe 20-ish years ago, maybe not quite that long ago. Well, not that long ago, come to think of it, because my feet were killing me. Every day I'd come home and my feet would bother me. And when I would work at the veterinary clinic on the cement floors, even wearing good tennis shoes, my feet were killing me. I'd come home and cry. Even working on a Saturday where I worked till maybe 1 o'clock or so, I wouldn't be able to do anything afterwards, and I'd come home and cry because my feet hurt so bad and have to soak them. And went to see the doctor and tried a few different things and found this myself by watching late night TV. And there was QVC, and this gentleman from Australia, you don't just, it doesn't matter what you're selling. If you have a fabulous accent and you're a handsome guy, I'm gonna watch. So that's what I was doing. And he was showing how our feet, you all have to go watch the videos either on QVC or on their website. It is Vionic, V-I-O-N-I-C, okay? He was showing how when we just stand there, how our feet sort of pronate. If we just were standing on dirt or sand, but our shoe will make our feet wrong. And that is a lot of why we have problems with our feet. And I'm also a big girl. So I really thought that the video that they showed, and when he demonstrated how the foot was in the shoe and how it made the legs straighter, it was like, well, that makes a lot of sense to me. So they're expensive shoes though. Not terrible. I mean, there are lots of expensive shoes out there, that are way expensive to me. If a shoe is $100, it's expensive. So the Ortho-Heel brand now is called Vionic only. I don't see Ortho-Heel anymore, but the shoes are around $100-ish, 80 to over 100. If you want leather, it's gonna be over 100. If you don't mind having, fake leather that does really well, they're 85, 90. Sometimes you can get them cheaper. QVC has them on sale. I always look at the sale on QVC. And also I check Amazon. And also you can find them sometimes elsewhere, Mercari and Poshmark. People do sell used ones, but you can get new ones that somebody, someone like me bought some and put them in the closet and never used them, and then they're selling them for $40 or $50 instead of the full price. So let me show you what I recently got. Because I needed some new sandals. In Alabama, where I live, we wear sandals probably 6 months out of the year, maybe even a little bit more than that. I'm already wearing sandals. It's warm, it's hot here, so we're already wearing sandals in May, and we can wear sandals through October-ish. It just depends. Maybe you might one day have to wear a shoe, and then one day go back to sandals, back and forth. So these I got here. I just got these and I've worn them one time, okay? And of course they're dirty on the sole. These are, pretty sandals. They are adjustable. This is leather. This part is leather. This is suede. And this is real leather. This isn't a fake leather. These are adjustable so you can adjust them to your foot. And this footbed, you can see how it's shaped. It's a bit soft, but not too soft because it's firm enough it holds you properly. So I won't go into all that. I'm not trying to sell you on the shoe. I'm just telling you about this in case you have bad feet. Even if you don't have bad feet, it's good for anybody. These shoes are good for anybody. And they have very pretty shoes. Over the years, they've gotten more and more pretty shoes. I just can't wear certain shoes. I don't wear heels anymore. Maybe a little bit of a heel or something, but there's the sole. And so they have good grips on them. And these are really nice. I really love them. And I'll show you, these I've had for the longest time. And this, in fact, is Ortho-Heel. There's the old name. And these I'm gonna trash because, see, this is not leather. This is falling apart. This is fake leather, but you see it was pretty at one time. And it's just chipping. So those are going to go into the trash. And I got these to replace them. I have a lot because I wear sandals every day. So I have these pair that I got last year, and these are not leather, but I love them. And see, it's the same style shoe. It just has a black base to it instead of this beige, and it's a little worn, but it's not leather. So this is fabric. It's not even like a fake leather, but it's fabric. But I really like those a lot. And so I like the style. I don't like anything. They have sandals with, back buckles and stuff. I don't like anything holding my ankle. Can't handle it. Can't handle it. In the winter, I wear a shoe like this. I have several of these. I like a slip-on shoe. The boys like my shoes. And they lay on, after I take them off, they lay on my shoes. So there's fur on these. But I like a mule. They call that a mule, okay? So this is real leather, and I got those very discounted because they were on sale on QVC. Like I said, I watch it very carefully. I love my slippers because as soon as I get home, shoes go off of me. And depending on if it's, cold or hot or whatever, if I'm wearing slippers, and I'm standing doing dishes, going back and forth carrying laundry, if I'm doing that kind of stuff, I might as well take good care of my feet. So I do buy their slippers. I didn't tell you these are $89.99 on QVC. I found them on Amazon for $79.95. So that's what I mean. I look both. Some are cheaper one, some are cheaper other. They also sell inserts that you can put into and move around into any shoe that you want. Any of your favorite shoes, you can put the inserts in to get that right pronation for your foot. Okay, so these are some slippers that I've had for 3 years maybe. See that they're super cute, but you see they're worn out on the inside. So, but again, a sliding kind of thing, adjustable for your foot. That's another thing, is sometimes I can wear, especially a sandal or a slip-on shoe, I can wear a 10 or I can wear a 9.5 wide. My foot measures out at a podiatrist at 9.5 wide, but I can wear a 10 on a sandal or an open shoe. I don't like shoes with a back to them. I hate them. But I do have I didn't bring them out to show you, but I do have a pair of gym shoes, or whatever you'd call them in your area. Every area of the country calls them something different, but a tie-up lace tennis shoe. I do have a pair from Vionic, and those are what I wear to work when I work at the veterinary clinic. And sometimes I'll wear them, when I travel. Sometimes I wear them, just because they have a great sole to them. So I did get these slippers because they were on sale. Of course, they're winter slippers, but these were $38.64 on QVC. I just got them. So they're just, it's a, I don't forget what you call that stuff, but it's fake. It's fake. And then it has this fluffy, I don't need this fluffy stuff down here. In fact, I'd rather not, because that'll just wear off. But it's nice and warm. They're slip-ons. I love a slip-on anything, like I said. So these were $38.64. So if you check out QVC and see what they have on sale and you have trouble with your feet, get you a cheap pair to start. Try one of their sale ones. You'll find sandals, you'll find shoes, and they do, when you get into the leather and they're new, because they do a daily special a couple times a year of them. And they may have, some are over $100, but the leather ones will last you a long time. But like I said, these slippers, here's my slippers. They're still in good shape. The bottoms, they're just wore out, but they still have a good base to them, and they still hold me properly. They're just wore out here, this fabric. So they're worth the price to me, because I don't cry at night over my aching feet anymore. That's why I wanted to share it with you, just if you have trouble with your feet. And they, like I said, now mine are very, matronly looking shoes, but they do have pretty shoes. They have heels, they have decorative style shoes. They have them for men as well, men, women. I don't think they have them for children, but I'm not sure about that. But like I said, you can keep any shoe that you like and put an insert in. They have inserts that fit a whole shoe. They also have just like the back side, so that, you know, if you have a really pointed toe or something, you don't need that what goes under your toes. You know, so they have different styles that you can insert into your shoe to make your foot pronated properly, and you still have beautiful feet because your shoe is, you know, your gorgeous Louis whatever whatever fancy shoes. But anyway, I don't have any fancy shoes. But I just wanted to share that with y'all because I thought it was, I was really excited to get these so cheap because these will last me for a few years for sure. And they're nice and warm and cozy. So I just really like them. So thanks for stopping to see my Vionic shoes. And if this will help anybody, I'm very happy to help you out because I discovered it on my own. And it's been very helpful to me. It really has. Especially if you stand on your feet all day. I don't, in my regular job, I don't. I have an office, I sit in a chair, I do jump up a lot, but I don't walk around, you know, a ton regularly. But on Saturday, it's zip, zip, run. We're running back and forth like crazy. And having those types of shoes on me is very, very helpful. So thanks for stopping by, y'all. Count your blessings. Bye-bye.